People ask me all the time, hey doc, what do you do to take care of your teeth? After the piezo, she's going to use a little hand instrument. So people ask me all the time, hey doc, what do you do to take care of your teeth and how often do you get your cleaning done? So I get my cleaning done is every 3 months, and I probably want to stay every 6 weeks. And this wonderful lady, Miss Tracy, say hello, Tracy. She's my dental hygienist, and she does my gentle cleaning all the time, every 6 weeks to every 3 months. In addition, I do brush my teeth crazy like 4 to 6 times a day, and flossing twice a day, and the cleaning every 6 weeks to every 3 months. And these are multiple things that I do to take care of my teeth. The piezo we use in our office, either ultrasonic or piezo, but mostly piezo is what we do for the cleaning. So she's using the piezo. So after the piezo, she's going to use the little hand instruments to finish up with some of, like if I have any, like a decent type pockets or maybe a little bit of tartar getting stuck under the gum line. So she's going to check those under the gum lines to see whether there is any tartar, to remove them or smoothen even the root surfaces. Even I may not have tartar, so it's using the hand instrument. So these hand instruments really help to smoothen the root surfaces, which is she's doing. Finish up with a little bit more polishing and then we are done. Thank you, Miss Tracy. Thank you for doing such an awesome job. How many times you recommend our patients do the flossing?
At night is a good time, before you go to bed.
Before you go to bed?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And how about brushing?
Morning and night.
Morning and night. How about flossing?
The night's better.
Night is better. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I recommend doing at least twice a day, once in the morning and for sure at night. And how many times they should brush? You said twice, right?
Twice, yeah.
But what I do is I brush like man crazy 5 or 6 times a day after each meal and after each snack. This is what we do as dentists to keep our teeth clean.
Right.
And as a periodontist, I got to do even better to control my gum disease, and I got to be above the dentist. And so that is exactly what I do to keep my teeth clean. Do brush my teeth crazy like 4 to 6 times a day, and flossing twice a day, cleaning every 6 weeks to every 3 months. And these are multiple things that I do to take care of my teeth. And talk to your dentist and ask them how often do they brush their teeth and floss and clean their teeth. And that is exactly what you should be doing to take care of your teeth and get your cleanings done at your dental office every 3 to 6 months, and brushing and flossing. And if you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come see us at the ToothHQ and we can do the cleaning for you. We not only do the cleaning, but we also do some laser assisted cleaning. So come talk to me or Tracy, and we are happy to help you with your regular cleaning and the laser assisted cleaning. Until next time, take care.